Brian Cawley, good run out there for a winter's day. Kilkenny, a lot of good performers there, especially Richie Hogan.
Yeah, it's a good run out, obviously, the time of the year, but the conditions were good and the day was very, very good, and there's an opportunity to look at players, and it was for a good cause as well, and so it was very worthwhile, the whole thing was. And
did you spot any young players from Wexford that kind of caught your eye?
To tell you the truth, I was very impressed overall with the standard of hurling for this time of the year. Wexford started off very, very strongly. We got 2 goals that made a difference at the end of the day, but I was very, very impressed with a lot of the Wexford players.
So you've refocused now for Welsh Cup preparations, eyeing up for January, yes?
Yeah, Welsh Cups comes up next now in January, and we look forward to that, and we'll be getting down to a bit of work to get ready for it.
What did you take from today's game? A lot of potential there in the youngsters.
Yeah, look, at both teams had a lot of players out there today, and we would have a lot stronger team maybe from the players we have towards Kilkenny. But look, it was a very well worked exercise. I think we lost by a point or 2 in the end. But look, at games like that are excellent for our fellas to play in, and I'm just delighted.
And great crowd as well to support the guys for Mossy Waters as well and his injury.
Yeah, fantastic, and I have to say fair play and tremendous credit to New Ross GA Club here as well. Geraldine O'Hanlon's, everything was fantastic, and big crowd. The day stayed fine, thank God, and with the intermediates against the under-21s beforehand, and the senior game as well. So there was a lot of hurling went on in New Ross today, which is good as well for the town.
And did any young players catch your eye for maybe over the Welsh Cup games and whatnot over the coming months?
Yeah, look, it's about giving players an opportunity and players taking that opportunity, and all our players that are in colleges are playing with their colleges in the Welsh Cup, and we'll pick whatever we've left. Then we'll pick with those players in the Welsh Cup. Whereas last year, we put a huge emphasis on the Welsh Cup, but this year it's about getting players hurling for the month of January, and then we'll take the league when it starts.